Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys don't know about Stitch Fix, there's a link down below. If it's your first time here and your first time doing Stitch Fix, you get a $25 credit if you use my link. You'll get 5 items. You can get jewelry, bags, scarves, earrings, etc., or 5 pieces of clothing. And it's a $20 styling fee. I have a style pass, which I paid $49, and I have unlimited fixes for a year. So if you like these kind of boxes, keep on watching. So in your box, you get this little white envelope. Within that is your price sheet, as well as your style card and your return mailing envelope. For anything that you don't want, you can send it back. It's free to ship both ways. So what I'm gonna do is read my style card for you guys. And I requested a new stylist because the last box I really wasn't impressed. I only kept the jeans. So lovely Kristen, happy fix day, beautiful lady. Okay, so before we dive in, let me just congratulate you on your YouTube channel. Love it. So hi Kate, if you're watching. I was able to watch your most recent unboxing and was sorry to hear that overall the box was kind of mwah. Let's reboot. First thing, I went for the denim jacket you requested, landing on the Emin style from Pistola. The cropped silhouette will prevent those grandma vibes from creeping in, which is so true. And I realize it's a little over budget, but the timeless of it and the versatility, you could wear it over a maxi dress or a tank, might be worth the investment. Also, I did not see the yellow pink Clover cardigan you asked for, but the texture and stripes of this lightweight one from Panique reminded me so much of your Pinterest pins. Let me know what you think. XO Kate, she is my new stylist. Okay, so here is the style card. Well, actually, I'm not going to show you that, so it gives away what the items are. So I have my price sheet here. I'm going to do prices at the end. So the first item we have here is this cardigan, which is kind of a gold or a mustard and cream color. Really cute. It has pockets, and this is it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. Awesome. And let me find the tag. It is the Panique Sparrow striped 2-pocket cardigan in yellow, size extra small. And I'll have the style cards over here and the prices in the description. So if you'd like any items and you want to request them, you'll be able to do that. That is really cute. I actually love this a lot. Very nice. Next top here is this navy and blue striped shirt. It's kind of off the shoulder, or you can wear it on the shoulder, and there's tie knots on the sleeves. Really cute. There is the pattern, and I like this a lot. This is definitely my style. I like navy. This is the Status Grassley off the shoulder blouse in navy, size extra small. Like that a lot. And I requested some can-can jeans because I've never owned them, and jeans that have all buttons as the zipper, which I thought these were really cute. I saw this on someone else's video and I requested these. They are so cute, as you can see. See the buttons, and they look high-waisted, and there is a little bit of distressing, which I can wear these to work with not going overboard. And they do have the cuff bottoms, and there's no distressing on the back except for the pockets. There's a little bit on the edges. So these are really cute. And these are by Can. Alina button front cuffed skinny jean in indigo, size 25, which is really cute. They're really soft too. So next is the jean jacket. This is really cute. I don't own a light colored one like this, so this is nice. This is by Pistola. This is the Pistola Emma crop denim jacket in light blue, size extra small. Really like this a lot. So this is something I can definitely wear over a maxi dress or wear to work because there is no distressing. See, it's light color. Like this a lot. Very nice. And that's super soft as well. And the last item, which is this pink Clover top, which is extremely soft. And I'll try this on with the denim jacket. And it has a little pocket here, and it looks like it has some elbow pads, which are brown, and it's two-tone gray. And there's a little cuff at the bottom. And here's the back. very soft and cute. And this is the Pink Clover Stephanie Elbow Patch Detail Knit Top in light gray, size extra small. And so guess what? I'm going to try this stuff on for you guys, and then I'll just give you the prices and then give you my final thoughts. So stay tuned. Okay, so here is the top. Let me bring you guys down a little bit so you can see. It's really cute, super soft. There's the elbow patches, and it goes right on the elbow. And then here is the material. It's super soft. It fits really nice. Really cute. It's a little twisted here. Let me fix it. There we go. So there you go. Let me know what you guys think of it. It's cute. It has like a bigger neckline than I'm used to. So we shall see. Okay, so next is the Can jeans. They are extremely high-waisted. Like right here is my belly button and they're right there. Yeah, I mean, they're really comfortable. I'm not used to something this high-rise. They fit really nice. But yeah, I mean, I'm trying to hold back the tags. I mean, they're cute. The cuffing is cute. There's the buttons so you can see. Let me bring it up a little bit. There are the buttons so you can see. And you're a little crooked. There we go. All right, so here it is. That's better. So here are the buttons, and they're extremely high rise. And they fit really nice. There's a little bit of the distressing here and a little bit on the knee. So yeah, I mean, these are cute. Okay, so next is the blue off the shoulder top. It's really cute. It sits nice. Yeah, I mean, I like how the sleeves are. They're really cute. It's a little tight right here, but I like the color. It's definitely me. Fits really nice. It's just my concern is this seems a little bit tight. Maybe I'm not wearing it correctly. Maybe I should wear it down a little bit further. But yeah, I mean, it's really cute. She did a really good job picking out stuff that's my taste. So yeah, I mean, but right now it's like the dead of winter, so I don't have anywhere to wear this. I mean, I possibly could wear it up on the shoulder or wear it more like this. I mean, this is probably more what it's meant for, wearing it like this, and I'm wearing it like off the shoulder completely, or I can just wear like one and like keep like one up maybe. I mean, that's really cute. I like that. But yeah, that's adorable. I like it. Okay guys, so next is this jean jacket. Like, I seriously really like this a lot. Super cute, super soft, very versatile. And I just put it with a white tee and I kept the same cans on. And yeah, it's really cute. Has a little room in there if you wear a sweater underneath or anything like that, but I love this a lot. Really cute. Okay, so next is the cardigan. It's really cute. Fits really nice. Like it a lot. I like how it goes up on the side. It has the pockets. Really cute. Here is the material. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna give you guys pricing and the total of the box. And so first item is the Stylist. It fell on the ground, of course. This off the shoulder top right here, super cute, $44. Next is the Pink Clover patch top right here, and that is $42. Next is the Can jeans. I still have those on and I will be keeping those. They're $58. And the cardigan right here, which is $44. And this Pistola jean jacket, which like I love and it looks fabulous on, is $78. So total for the box $266, buy all 5 discount $66.50, $199.50. So let me know in the comments below what you think I should keep. I'm definitely keeping the jeans because they fit awesome, and this jean jacket is phenomenal. So not sure about the other 3 items, but if I keep the jeans, and that would be $120, so for another $80 I can keep the rest. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. I do Stitch Fix unboxings, which I absolutely love. And Kate, you did phenomenal in this fix. You are awesome. So I'm super excited to have you as my stylist. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.